Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my new favorites thanks to a certain coffee shop with their new pistachio flavors. This is going to be the Herbalife way of making a pistachio latte pour over, like a cold latte pour over type coffee at home, but as a meal. So what we're going to do is start with our French vanilla Herbalife Formula 1, and we're going to put 2 scoops of this Formula 1 flavor, and then we are going to go ahead and get our vanilla protein, and we're going to put 1 scoop in this video. If you need 2 scoops, it is not going to ruin the recipe, I promise. So if you need 1 or 2 scoops of protein, go ahead and add that right into the cup. And as you can see, I'm not blending it because it's a pour over, like an iced coffee type shake. So it's just in a blender cup so I can shake it up real quick. So now I have my instant cafe bustelo, and I'm gonna add 1 shot of espresso. Now, if you guys are using brewed coffee, don't add that to the water. Just use the brewed coffee as the base because black coffee is not bad for you. It's just black coffee. So I'm using the instant kind. Don't use ground up coffee beans. And now you see me using the pistachio latte flavor that I found in Home Goods. You can find this in Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross, all those type of places, or just order it straight from their website. And this is the pistachio sugar-free jello mix that, you know, in the blue box at the store, just like the cheesecake and the chocolate and all of that great stuff. So it's just the pudding mix, the sugar-free one, of course, by the blue box. Again, that was the pistachio flavor. And since I have it in my shaker cup, I'm gonna go ahead and shake that up until, you know, all the chunks are gone. It doesn't really take long. And while I shake it, I just want to thank all of my YouTube subscribers. Thank you for liking, commenting. Thank you guys for turning on the notifications and sharing with your Herbalife family. I appreciate all of you so much from the bottom of my heart for your support on my channel. And don't forget, if you want more recipes and typed out, I am selling my Herbalife book. If you want that information, it will be in the description below to this video. So now you see me with my cup of ice. I just poured my shake right over the ice, just like, you know, like a coffee. And now I have my creamer, whatever creamer it is you like. I love this almond caramel macchiato. I just pour a tiny bit, it's like a tablespoon, and then I'm actually gonna grab my pistachio again and put a tablespoon in there with the creamer, and then I'm gonna froth it up with some protein. So I'm not gonna use a whole scoop, literally just gonna use like a half a scoop. See, you can see there, a half a scoop of protein, you know, just to add more protein to the shake. I did only have 1 scoop in there, and we just like the flavor, right? So just like any latte you would get from any coffee shop, ironically I'm using a coffee shop cup to shake this up or froth this up. But anyways, so I'm frothing this creamer and protein and pistachio flavor, and I'm going to pour that right on top over the ice. And you see, now you see this little latte look, my iced latte. And then I am just going to go ahead and top it off with, I mean, you know, I just got to get every drop because if y'all follow my videos, y'all know I don't waste product. So I'm going to put my whipped cream or cold foam, whatever you want to call it, on the top. And then I'm just going to grab my pistachio jello mix again and just sprinkle a teeny tiny bit on the top just to make it look cute and eye candy, you know, because if you have a shop or if you're trying to get a friend hooked up, you know, you're trying to get them to be like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So I went ahead and made it a little pretty for you guys and sprinkled a little bit of the pistachio on top. So again, this is my dupe, I guess you can call it. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much. Please, if you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. I have a lot of content coming for all of you. And again, if you want to purchase my recipe book, look below.